types of messages in SAP ABAP. So what are the types of messages? Like if you save a program, okay, it gives you a kind of a status here. So if I go for AC38, so here the status message will come Z. If I say display, so if I activate this is a status message. Okay, this is a status message, positive message. And if I have something like create, it says it gives a status message only, but there will be error message also. Error message is something which says it you cannot go further because of this error. So you'll normally get it whenever we do some logical error is there. So these are the types of messages. So we will see what are all the different types of messages and how we can make use of them. So first one is the status message that we have seen just now. S, we write it as S. Then we have informatory message, I. Error message, E. Warning message, W. And abort message, A. And exit message, X. So these are the 6 types of messages that we have in the types of messages. So in this, like, uh, we'll go ahead with each and every one of them. We'll check all of them. So we can populate these type of messages, but the text or the information that you want to show, okay, text or information that we want to show information that you want to show, that will be there in a message class. We need to create a message class, and this message class we can create in SE91 transaction. Message class will be creating SE. So there you can have up to text. I mean, like 001 messages 001 to 99 000 to 9999. So you will get 1000 messages. So 1000 messages will be uh, populated. 1000 messages can be maintained in each message class. So the message class name should start with Z, Z, and then it can be anything else, ZMSG or something like that. So I'll go for ZDXC underscore MSG1. Okay. So what you need to create is you need to create a message class with Z followed by a 3 employee code and three digits of your employee code underscore MSG1 is what you can create. Okay. So now here we'll go ahead with this 000 to 999 is what we are actually creating. We can create the text. So if you write a text here for, let's say, for example, we write it 0001, we'll write a text at something like color is red. Then the color is red will be the message, but the type of message will be from the letter that we write here. So how do we write in the program is we write it like this: message, say S001, means it takes a text from the message class. The 001 what should be typed will be taken from the message class, but this S represents the type of message. So there can be only 6 letters that we can write here. We can write S I E W A X, that's it. These are the messages that we have. Okay, so these are the messages that we have. Now, let's go ahead and write a simple program to understand the messages. Okay, so this is the program, but before writing the logic, we'll go to SC91 transaction and first create a message class. We'll go for zdxg underscore msg1 message class messages. I'll write color is unknown, color is red, color is white, color is green, color is brown, color is yellow, black, zdx underscore msg1. So it right here message id zdx underscore msg1. To cross check, you can just double click on this and it will take you there. If it doesn't take you there, then it means that it's wrong. So we can just message hyphen id and we have to write this, and we'll write something like parameters p underscore c, that is color. So we'll go for at line selection, no, at selection screen, and so we'll go for if, or we can say, yeah, case. We can write case p underscore c in case when r message s001, when w message I002, means the text will come from there, but the type of message we can see it from here. Okay, so first let's see how r will how s will be seen, how that message will populate. So when I say execute, if I say r and execute, so this is a status message which comes down in green color. Color is red is what we can see. The message which we are getting, that the text we are getting it from the message class, but the type of message we are getting from this S. Then I means warning message. So white. If you enter white, W, execute. So color is white is getting populated here in the pop-up. When G message say E003, when others This is exit message when B message A004. No, W warning message 004. When Y message warning message about message A005. Okay, so we'll see all these type of messages how they get populated. See, this is a success message or status message. We don't call it as success, we call it as status message. It will not stop you from going further, okay, in the program. So this uh, I also will not stop you from going further. Status message and informatory message will not stop you to go further in the program, but error message will stop you abruptly. You cannot go further in the program anymore. And warning message, sometimes it allows, sometimes it doesn't allow, depends on the scenario. A abort will never allow you to go further. X also will never allow you to go further. This X type X is extremely important for background jobs. Okay, for background jobs this is extremely important. Okay, so for background jobs what happens is, in this status message, this exit message will actually populate a message that you can go ahead and see in S322 transaction even if you are not online. So I'll explain you about that. Okay, so we'll activate this program and execute. So our status message, you have seen that. W, informatory message, you have seen that. And G, this is error message. It will stop you to go further. It's something like error. So error message. And then we have warning message. Warning message will come in yellow. Sometimes it allows you to go further, sometimes it doesn't, depends on the scenario. Then we have Y. This is abort message. In abort message you will have only one option. Okay, exit. Okay, so color is yellow, so exit. Okay. So now it's like, say if you say exit, if you say exit, it exits. That's it. There's no other option. That is abort message. In abort message you don't have any other option except to exit. That's abort message. Abort message. So warning messages or error message and exit message. Exit message is something where it will get populated. Let's say I give something like M. M color is not there at all. We didn't maintain anything about M. So when you click execute, it will go into dump. This is called short dump. So this short term messages, we generally place them in a programs, especially the programs which we are going to run in the background. What happens is, we don't know if it's run in the background, we don't know whether it is successful or not successful. So immediately if we place a error message which, if the system should not go, I mean, like, it's something is unexpected, it should go to that system, that particular message. So for that we'll do that, right? So we'll go ahead with /o st22. When you type st22, if you open the st22, then you will have these error messages. In this you can go to the error message that we have populated now, and we can see and evaluate the message, what exactly is this all about. So in the program you can see exactly where the problem happened. So this 19th line is what we have the issue. So we can clearly see what exactly is the problem, and how it can be resolved. So resolution also, we can have a conclusion for that. Okay, so these are the different types of messages in which the most important message that we have is the exit message, because that's something which will not show you. I mean, like it will show you there, but even if you have come out of come out of that screen, it will still show you the message here in the backend in the ST22 transaction.